Thank you so much for joining us today. An event that comes in an unprecedented time from Abu Dhabi, the capital of energy. Can you tell us, what do you hope that this Congress will tell the world about the current situation in utilities and the use, and most importantly, the solutions that you would like to see?
Of course, thank you for the question. So first of all, we'd like to say that we're very happy, we're very proud of our participation in a first-of-a-kind World Utilities Congress here in Abu Dhabi. Now, it's very important to highlight the role of ENIC and the UAE's strategy for net zero. So what we hope from this Congress is that we want to highlight the effect of nuclear energy and the positivity that it can bring with supplying clean energy for the UAE. Also, in generally, we have to highlight the fact that the energy sector is responsible for a lot of the carbon emissions that we have in the world right now. So renewable energy such as nuclear will support very heavily in the future with producing this required energy with the growth that we have and the requirements for electricity at zero carbon emissions.
Excellent. We heard a lot about this point and the UAE ambitious goals to cut emissions by 2036. Can you tell us a little bit about the main technologies that you hope will help you achieve the goals that we are hearing in this Congress?
Of course. So starting off, we'd like to highlight the technology that we use at Baraka. So at Baraka, we chose to go with the APR 1400. Now, this was after a series of extensive research and studies to ensure that we use the best available technology that is the safest as well to be able to be operating at Baraka and provide the base load of energy that we need for the UAE. Now, it's also important to highlight that the technology here is not only nuclear to produce electricity. We also have the nuclear supporting, for example, the agricultural needs, perhaps even space exploration. And it's important also to highlight that R&D, or research and development, is a very important sector also at nuclear, which is something that UAE is pursuing moving forward in the future, inshallah.
So maybe last question. As a professional at ENIC, coming from this event in Abu Dhabi, what do you want Abu Dhabi to tell the world in the field of energy and consumption?
Yes, so moving forward to the future, with the growing energy requirements and the growth in the world, electricity in general, it's very important that the world also cooperates. We're all one team, support each other in order to ensure that we can achieve less emissions in the world and provide this required energy. We are cooperating with international stakeholders at the Baraka Power Plant, both in the Arab world and internationally, in order to support this common goal.